As we know, I am going to the Bahamas soon. I haven't stopped talking about it because I'm very excited, okay? But I have used this as an opportunity to refresh my holiday wardrobe. It's been a while, especially since I've been to somewhere that's like, you know, sun, sea, sand situation. So today I have a haul and I'm showing you those pieces. Links will be below or in the shopping prompt on the screen. Okay, let's start off with these are, okay, we have 2 pairs of shoes, some like bathing suit, bikini situations. We have 1 piece of ready to wear. No, we've got 3 pieces of ready to wear. And we also have a bag. The bag will be last. So, a few weeks ago, I was gallivanting around the meatpacking district and I stumbled into Bally. And I saw a pair of shoes and I was like, oh my gosh. As we know, Bally has a new creative director and he is just churning out the fire. Anyway, I saw these shoes and I was like, oh my gosh, I don't remember seeing these on the runway. I love them, haven't been able to stop thinking about them, so I thought, do you want to know what? I don't have anything like this. They are so me. And like I said, I was having sleepless nights. I was just lying in bed, you know, counting sheep, and every so often it would be, you know, sheep, the Bally shoes, jumping over the fence, you know, and it's just, when it haunts your dreams, you need them. Look at those. They are like a crystal mesh. This is the gold colour. Oh my gosh. Okay, I will give you more details. I got these from FARFETCH, who is the sponsor of today's video. You know we love FARFETCH on here. Oh my gosh, I think it's coming up to 3 years of working with them, which is insane. And you know that means I have a code for you. So keep listening. FARFETCH has been my go-to for these like last minute vacation things. You know, I've been scrolling through, I see all the new arrivals, the beachwear trickling in. The scope is just huge, so there's everything on there. The furthest something has travelled today is from Australia. If you didn't know, that's how FARFETCH works. They are the sort of go-between between us, the purchasers, and boutiques, brands, department stores all over the world, so everything is all in one place. And I've not just been buying stuff on there for me, I've been buying stuff on there for Nee, some last minute beauty bits as well. Another good thing about FARFETCH is their Access loyalty scheme. Now, on their like top tier you get a personal shopper, and I actually used a personal shopper for one of the items in this haul. I'll tell you more about it when we get to it. And it was just such an easy, seamless experience that I was like, oh my gosh, how have I not been using this personal shopper before? You'll get like discounts and birthday treats and all of that, pre-access to sale, all of that business. The code is on the screen. T's and C's will be below, as well as brand exclusions. Some of the things in this haul are by brands that are included, some aren't, so get your eyes down there. And as usual, DM me on Instagram to tell me what you got. Thank you so much, FARFETCH, for sponsoring this part of the video. Okay, so this is the gold colour. They also come in black and navy. The black has black crystals, navy has navy crystals. They also do 3 different heel heights. They have a complete flat, they have a short heel height, and then of course this one, the higher the heel, the closer to God. Anyway, so I just love this. Everything happens for a reason, all right? Because I know that when the YSL crystal boots came out, it was, you know, this should be perfect for me. This is everything I want. It's crystal, it's sparkle, sparkle city. And there was a reason why it didn't work out, apart from the fact that, you know, it took 3 people in 15 minutes for them to get on my feet. But anyway, like I said, there's a reason that I didn't go for those, and it's because these were coming along and they are just easy. I think they look so sexy on the foot. They have a piece of PVC in here that sort of makes sure that everything is kept on the foot and doesn't, you know, get tangled, essentially. I'm not entirely sure. And then all of this is patent. Come through Bally. Now, I will say something about the sizing. I got these in a size 40. Go a full size up. You'll see on the cutaways, this looks perfect size on me, so keep that in mind. But like, these, I'm sorry, going to like a fabulous little romantic dinner as the sun sets, just sparkling on the feet, just, oh my god, it's perfect. I also love the idea of wearing this with jeans. It's just a little unexpected twist on the ankle, you know? Anyway, these I put in the same category as something like my Renee Calvillas, right? Because they're enough of a statement that's interesting. Your eyes are not going to just gloss over them, but at the same time, they're going to go with so much. So Love those. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie and I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, you're gonna love it here. So head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Right, okay. Let's do swim. I only really have one bikini that I like. The others that I have, of which I maybe have 2 others, are very old and should be some form of recycled. So, like I said, I've taken it upon myself to indulge in the swimwear. Please don't fall. First one, I mentioned this in a video not that long ago, is this Jacquemus swimsuit, this one piece. I went for the pink. It also came in a few other colours as well. I was between the pink or the orange and I ended up going for the pink. And it's all, yeah, fine from the front. Got these little strappy bits, great. The bit, though, that reels me in is this little Jacquemus detail on the back that's just bringing everything together, giving a little bit of sexiness, right? All of that. The bum is sort of a cheeky-ish coverage, but, you know, she's not thonging it out. And I did get this in a size medium, and it fits great. The next one. This one's kind of like, she's chic, she's classy, she plays tennis. Casablanca. Casablanca is one of those brands that just thrives in the spring-summer seasons. I mean, I love the brand in general, but spring-summer, Casablanca truly blossoms. Okay, so I saw this swimsuit and I was like, this is very me. This is also a size medium and it is black with the white trim. You've got the little rubber Casablanca logo there. It's got a low back. Again, a bit more fuller coverage than the Jacquemus. If you look really closely, I don't know if you'll be able to see, it's like a jacquard pattern. There you go, you can see it, right? So it's not just your straightforward, and I think there's something very sort of like 80s tennis club about this, you know? So very much looking forward to that one. Looks great, feels comfy. Okay, so the next one is a brand called Same Los Angeles. Now, I bought 2 things from them. I only ended up keeping one because I bought a swimsuit. Arguably, I've never looked worse in my life, truly. However, I did keep the bikini. How do I demonstrate this? Because there's a lot going on. Okay, so it's a double bikini, so it looks like there's one on top of the other. Glittery gold one with the black on top. Same thing for the bra. Is this demonstrating? Look, I'm not going to try them on. All right, no, I've passed that point in my life where like trying on a bikini on camera is something I would do. So let's just succumb to the fact that the link will be below if you want to see it on somebody. But there you go, so it's like a double situation. This is definitely a little bit more revealing than the other ones, but she's fun, she's cute, she's sexy, she's living her best life. The sizing on this is very odd, and it does say to size up on the website. I ended up going for a size small in the top and a size large on the bottoms. Take of that what you will. Okay, the next thing is not necessarily summery, but maybe a summer evening or a, you know, cooler summer day, right? I have come to realise that if you want a tailored blazer that is a little bit off the beaten path, a little bit unexpected, not like a Balmain situation, Dion Lee is the guy. Oh my gosh, I saw this and I was like, stunning. Look at how it nips in at the waist. And it has this zip detailing throughout, right? That you can unzip all of these to give a little bit more of a flare. There's something very badass about it, but also very much a timeless shape. I could wear this for years and years. The shoulders are ever so slightly like, you know, exaggerated. Obviously, there'll be cutaways for you to see it on. But she's powerful. The way it fits is beautiful. Lovely to the body. You feel powerful. You feel like you can make some very big decisions and be happy with those. And that's how we all want to feel in life. We all just want to feel confident, and she makes us feel confident. And there you go. What size is it, Cassie? It is... yeah, this is a size 10, so it's the same as UK sizing, all right? So US 6, UK 10. So the next thing was an impulse purchase. Usually I think about things. This was very much, I was there at the time, I tried it on, never seen anything like it, love, okay? And I just think that this will be such an easy summer look. The colour just completely reeled me in. This is Acne Studios. First of all, I would just like to say there is a woman that works at Acne Studios here in New York in Soho, who is the sweetest angel person I've ever come across in my life. She was just so lovely and just a pleasure, an absolute pleasure to buy from. Anyway, so this is from a certain line of Acne. This piece is made using repurposed fabrics from previous collections, part of an evolving series of resourceful design experiments to seek novel expressions, season 9. So they've been doing this for a while. It is this crushed velvet shirt. So there's a shirt here, right? I'm very much in my Adam Sandler era with these, and I'm leaning into it. Okay, I want to be cozy, I want to be comfy, still looks cool and interesting. And then there's basically a pair of like basketball length cargo shorts, nice elasticated waistband for the summer. Everything's flowing. You know, it's easy and it's very sort of sporty and tomboyish, but I'll show you a video of it, like styling it with heels, a bit sort of like casual and unexpected. But also, I know there will be points in New York where I will literally just be like, I am too hot to care, and I will do this, a bralette, this, roll up the sleeves, sneakers, pound the pavement, all right? And I'm going to love every second of it. This material is just, the colour reeled me in, the material reeled me in. I was like, I've not seen anything like it. It looks like ocean water. The shorts are a size small, and the shirt is a medium. Yes to it all, thank you very much. I have already alluded to the fact that I bought it, the Axel Arigato Mulberry collaboration. Oh my gosh, frothing at the mouth. I think we all know that this was very me, okay? How could I not? I have been loving every second of wearing these. By the way, the buckle rattles off the shoe, but when it's on, it doesn't rattle, thankfully. They are just, A, very comfortable, and B, just cool looking. I'm sorry. You've got the little lock on the front. Some people said it looks like the Hermes Day sneaker. Yes, it does, but they're not the first people that have done like buckles like this on shoes. There was also like Buscemi and all of that. You know, I'm in my blue era. Okay, I love it. So I got these in a size UK 6, EU 39. Perfect. Now online it did say that these come up big. I don't necessarily think so. Like, I think I would have been too scared to have gone down because they don't do half sizes in these, it's full sizes. Also, I have heard that they will be restocking. So, eyes open, index fingers at the ready, clicking that mouse, digital elbow sharpened. Okay, so it came to my attention when I was starting to plan Bahamas that I do not have a beach bag. I had one bag in the UK that was actually my mum's that she'd given to me, and even still I wouldn't be quite comfortable taking that to the beach, right? So I was like, great, well, where do you go if you want a designer beach bag? There's one answer. Loewe. By the way, the packaging for the Paula's Ibiza, 10 out of 10. Like, look at this beautiful bag. I can't bin this, but I don't know what I'm going to do with it. So I shall just keep it in perpetuity. So I saw a different colour of this bag that wasn't part of the Paula's collaboration. I was like, yeah, I think I'm going to get it. So I messaged my FARFETCH personal shopper about it, and she said, oh, here's the lookbook for the Paula's Ibiza collection, just in case you like something more or whatever. So, and then I saw this colourway and I was like, thank you for doing this, because I do not want the original one, I want this colour. Super fast shipping. I think it actually came directly from the Loewe store in New York, from what I could sort of tell. But I wanted a beach bag that didn't have structure. I wanted one that I could pack and like fold. That was my main thing. I also wanted one that like, this is one and done. I'm never going to need a beach bag again. Are you ready? This is actually part of the men's collection, and it's their what do they call this tote? The shopper or something like that. I mean, it looks like an IKEA bag essentially. You've got the black tape on the arms. I like the fact that it has the two handles, and I like the fact that you can fold it all, right? So you can pack it nicely like that, maybe fold it again. Done, right? You don't need to worry. It's a material that is appropriate for being by the beach and by the pool. It's not a canvas, it's not a leather, it's not going to, you know, I have to worry and put it underneath the sun lounger so that no light actually gets to it. This is just a sling over the shoulder, off you go. And I'm sorry I saw the green. How could I not? How could I not? Oh my gosh, are you excited? We're gonna kill it. We're gonna kill it in the Bahamas. This is the perfect beach bag for me, truly. The only beach bag I will ever need. There you go. Let me know what you thought of my vacation-ready pieces. Do not forget to use the FARFETCH code. I'm going to put it on the screen again to remind you. Thank you so much again to FARFETCH for sponsoring this video. I am going to leave a link to another video over here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are. And in the words of my father,
if you've enjoyed it, tell your friends. If you haven't, keep your mouth shut.
I'll see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.